The Multimedia system puts many features of your Mercedes-Benz at your fingertips. You can access the features within the Multimedia system using touch control in a few ways. The buttons that control the gauge cluster on the left side of the steering wheel, the buttons that control the Multimedia system on the right side of the steering wheel, the controller on the center console, and if your vehicle is equipped with it, the touchpad by the controller. If not needed, this touchpad can be disabled in the System Settings menu. To operate the Multimedia system with the touch control button on the right side of your steering wheel, simply swipe up, down, left, or right, and select by clicking the button in the center of the pad. Press the Home button to show main functions. To access the Favorites menu, toggle down once. Short press and release the voice control button to use voice commands. And press the phone buttons to make or end phone calls on your Bluetooth-connected phone. The controller in the center console of your car works in a lot of the same ways. You can access various menus in the Multimedia system by rotating or toggling left or right, up or down. Press the controller down to make a selection. Use the Home button on the console to pull up the main menu, and the back buttons to return to the previous menu, just like you would on your steering wheel. Keep in mind the forward arrow button on the touchpad lets you skip to the next radio station or song on your media player, no matter which application you're using. And in many functions, to the left of the selection is another menu icon with even more options or settings. With Mercedes-Benz touch control buttons, console, and touchpad, all your multimedia functions are within reach.